Hey folks, Martin here. If you're about maximizing the ROI on your SAP system, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to delve into another great tool for visibility and execution. Today's topic is on the subcontracting stock monitor. And Monique is here to introduce us to it. Monique, tell us more about the stock monitor.
Hey, Martin. I spent many years working in the warehouse, so tools that bring planning and operations together are near and dear to my heart. So today, we're going to take a brief tour of the subcontracting stock monitor, which is like the backbone to the subcontracting process. It's where you want to be for managing inventory, POs, and transactions related to the subcontracting process. This is what we call a cockpit transaction where we can manage to get many functions from one place. Think of it as your home base. It also helps keep our processes on track. So let's go in and take a look. So let's dig in. Now, this tool I'm about to show you is not pretty, but it's highly functional. It's been around for a while, and I have to say again, as a warehouse operations person, I think this is a great opportunity to bring a cross-functional team into one place where they can pass the baton and execute the process. So here we are at the selection screen. This is where it all starts. As you can see here, we have some solid selection criteria to generate our list of materials to review. First up is the vendor. This is the supplier of the subcontracting service. Below that is the component, which is super nice, and also the star of the stock monitor. These are the components that need to be provided to the subcontractor for them to do their thing. Next is the assembly, or the finished or semi-finished good product that will be delivered back to you. From there, we get into some of the usual suspects, plants, dates, etc.